The CairFall is an intelligent, versatile, and easy to configure fall detector, which can be worn on the wrist or around the neck. This video will take you through the step-by-step instructions on how to set up your CairFall and link it with Smart Living Solutions or SmartConnect. The device will arrive in transport mode. This is indicated by a blue LED when you press the button. To turn off transport mode, press the button 5 times in quick succession. The blue LED will flash each time and will then flash amber to indicate the program sensitivity level. To confirm the device is ready for use, press the button. The LED will flash green and the CairFall will vibrate. If you need to enter transport mode to reprogram the device or for storage, press the button 5 times in quick succession, holding the button down on the 5th press for approximately 10 seconds. The LED will flash green and then blue rapidly to confirm it is in transport mode. Whilst in transport mode, you can reprogram the device and increase or decrease its sensitivity level. To do this, press the button on the device 7 times. After the 7th press, the LED will flash green rapidly and then flash amber to show its current sensitivity level. This can be between 1 and 5. Once the amber LED has stopped flashing, a white LED will appear for around 5 seconds. Whilst the white LED is active, press the button between 1 and 5 times for the required sensitivity level, 1 being the least sensitive and 5 being the most. After you have selected the sensitivity level, the CairFall will flash red, indicating it has left the programming menu. You can either return to the programming menu by clicking the button 7 times, or turn off transport mode by following the instructions supplied earlier in this video. You will now need to pair the CairFall with Apello HQ. To do this, go to the pendants page on the Apello HQ dashboard. Here, you will see a list of available pendants which are paired to your system. Now press the button on the CairFall. This will send out a radio signal connecting your CairFall to Apello HQ. You will see this new device appear at the top of the page. To confirm it is the correct CairFall, press the button again and it will now appear yellow on the screen. Next, click on the blue ID on the left-hand side of the screen and this will take you to the CairFall profile where you can assign a resident ID and any Now IP string details if required. Now, click on the drop-down menu by the resident field and select the residence you would like to assign the device to, then click Save. With the CairFall, you will also need to pair the device as a fall detector as well as a personal alarm. To do this, return to the pendant page on Apello HQ and then simulate a fall with the device by holding it above your head and dropping it down to your waist in one quick motion. The device should flash and vibrate, indicating it has detected a fall. This will send out a radio signal which will be received by Apello HQ. Re-trigger the device by simulating a fall again, and you should see the device highlighted within Apello HQ. This will be a new pendant to the one you created previously. Click on the blue ID on the left-hand side of the screen and you will be taken to the device profile page. Assign the resident to the device by using the drop-down menu and selecting the resident. Next, you are required to add a Now IP code to identify the device when it makes a call. In the Now IP box, input the code 021000002. Click Save and you will be taken back to the pendant dashboard. There are 2 ways you can activate an alarm using the CairFall. Pressing the button on the device, which will show a green LED light flashing and the CairFall will vibrate. Once pressed, the staff handset will ring and display the device details and nearest apartment. The second way an alarm can be activated is by a fall being detected. Similarly, the device will vibrate and there will be a 24-second cancellation period. If no action is taken during this 24-second period, an alarm call will be placed to the manager on their handset. The CairFall will arrive with a fall detection 24-second cancellation period as default. To cancel an alarm activation, you will need to press the button 3 times in quick succession during the 24-second window. The amber LEDs should stop after the 3rd press and will cancel the alarm entirely. If you need to replace the batteries in the CairFall device, you are able to do this with 2 CR2016 batteries and a T6 screwdriver. To access the batteries, remove the 4 screws on the back of the device and then remove the back casing as well as the rubber seal. From here, you can ease out the 2 batteries, noting that the positive side is facing upwards. When the batteries have been removed, press and hold the button on the device for around 10 seconds to discharge any residual power before inserting the new batteries. While ensuring the plastic insulating strip is kept in position, insert the 2 new batteries, one on top of the other, with both positive sides facing away from the circuit board. Once the batteries have been inserted, reassemble the case by placing the rubber seal back on first, then the back of the device, then screw all 4 screws back in. Once finished, the device will have re-entered transport mode, where you can make sure the program settings are correct. You will need to turn off transport mode before returning the CairFall to a resident. All of these instructions can be found in your supplied user guide.